Such different animals. The bear family. Bears, one of the most amazing mammals in the animal world. They belong to the Ursidae family and are found on the northern continents and in the Arctic Ocean. There are 8 recognized species of bears. The most common is the brown bear. The brown bear. This is one of the largest bear species, known for its imposing size and characteristic hump on its back. These incredibly adaptable animals thrive in various corners of the world. They can be found in forests, mountains, tundra, and coastal areas. Adaptability allows them to live in very different conditions, from the dense forests of the Pacific Northwest to the Arctic tundras of Alaska. The brown bear has several subspecies, including the grizzly living in North America, known for their aggressive behavior when threatened. The Kodiak, inhabiting the Kodiak archipelago of Alaska, is one of the largest subspecies of brown bears. Brown bears are omnivorous animals. Their diet consists of diverse seasonal food. In spring and summer, they mainly eat plant foods, for example, berries, bilberries, raspberries, and blueberries, roots, nuts, and herbs. These bears' fur comes in various colors, from light brown to almost black. One of the main reasons for such differences is the seasonal change of color, influenced by factors such as temperature, length of daylight, and vegetation. In the winter months, brown bears typically have thicker and denser fur, which may appear darker. Such adaptation helps them preserve heat in the cold months. With the arrival of spring and rising temperatures, they shed their winter coat, revealing a lighter and more varied coloring. Molting helps not only to regulate body temperature, but also plays an important role in camouflage, allowing them to blend effectively with the environment. Being omnivores, brown bears consume a variety of live food. Their diet includes fish, especially salmon, small mammals, and carrion. In coastal areas, the presence of salmon during the spawning season significantly increases the energy value of the bear's diet. This food source is especially important for bears when they emerge from hibernation. It helps them regain lost weight and strength. The diet changes depending on the time of year, which affects foraging behavior. In spring, they feed on plant foods rich in nutrients, and in summer, they can consume large amounts of berries. Autumn is a critical period for brown bears. They prepare for winter hibernation by accumulating fat. During this period, they may exhibit hyperphagia, consuming large amounts of food to store the necessary fat for winter survival. As winter approaches, brown bears enter hibernation, during which dens serve as their shelter. These dens are usually dug in the ground or located in caves, providing safety for mothers and cubs. Hibernation is a crucial survival strategy that allows conserving energy during the harsh winter months when food is scarce. Subspecies of the brown bear differ in size, coloration, and habitat preferences, demonstrating incredible diversity within the species. The black bear, Barabal. The Barabal or black bear is the most widely distributed bear species in North America. It is distinguished by short, curved claws and a strong sense of smell. Black bears mainly inhabit North America. Their range extends from Canada to Mexico. It is the smallest of the 3 bear species living in North America. The fur can be black, brown, reddish, and even blonde depending on the region. Despite the name, not all individuals are black, which can cause confusion among wildlife enthusiasts. Barabals inhabit diverse landscapes, including forests, mountains, and swamps. The highest concentration of black bears is observed in the eastern U.S., especially in the Appalachians, and in the western states, especially in the Rocky Mountains region. These territories provide shelter and food sources, making them ideal habitats. In Canada, black bears are found in all provinces and territories. The largest population lives in British Columbia and Alberta. Alaska, known for its wildlife, also has a significant black bear population, especially in coastal areas. The polar bear. The polar bear is uniquely adapted to life in the Arctic environment. It is the largest land predator. They are classified as land and ice-dependent animals and are considered marine mammals because they live in a marine environment. Although they primarily live on sea ice, they come onto land when the ice melts in the summer months. Their diet primarily consists of meat. They hunt seals, especially ringed seals. They typically use ambush tactics to catch their prey, tracking it on the ice or in the water, or waiting by a breathing hole or the ice edge until seals swim by. Unlike other bear species, the polar bear has no widely distributed subspecies. However, the species is often divided into distinct populations depending on geographic distribution. For example, the Beaufort Sea population, the Chukchi Sea population, and the Barents Sea population. These bears face unique challenges due to climate change and melting sea ice, which threatens their hunting grounds and forces bears to forage in territories further south, where they come into conflict with humans. Indeed, the accelerating and rapid melting of sea ice in the Arctic bodes ill for the future of this impressive species. The International Union for Conservation of Nature lists polar bears as a vulnerable species, and some populations are under threat of extinction. The sloth bear. The sloth bear. The sloth bear is unique among other bear species for its diet. It primarily consists of insects, particularly termites and ants. The sloth bear has long shaggy fur and a white marking on its chest. It has no widely known subspecies, but it can be divided into distinct regional populations based on their adaptations and specific conditions, mainly in India and Sri Lanka. The Himalayan bear. Himalayan bear. The Asian black bear, also known as the moon bear due to the white crescent on its chest, lives in the forested regions of Asia. From a biological and morphological point of view, Himalayan bears represent an initial stage of arboreal adaptations observed in sloths and sun bears. The sun bear. The sun bear. The sun bear is the smallest bear species in the world. It inhabits the tropical forests of Southeast Asia and is known for the golden or white patch on its chest, resembling a rising sun. Sun bears prefer dense, humid places which provide ample food and shelter from predators. They are solitary animals and do not forage in groups. They have a very diverse diet. They love to eat tropical fruits such as durian, mangosteen, and jackfruit. However, a significant part of their diet consists of ants, termites, and beetles. Sun bears have a long tongue that allows them to extract insects from tree hollows and underground nests. The giant panda. The giant panda. The giant panda, or bamboo bear, is perhaps the most famous bear species, famous for its black and white coloration and predominantly herbivorous diet. They live in the mountainous regions of China. There are two recognized subspecies: the giant panda from Sichuan province, characterized by typical black and white coloring, and a smaller subspecies with unique coloring living in the Qinling Mountains. Although they belong to carnivores, their diet consists of 99% bamboo. This unique dietary preference raises questions about their evolutionary adaptations and ecological consequences of dependence on bamboo. Pandas consume over 40 different types of bamboo and demonstrate an amazing ability to adapt to its different types. Adult pandas can eat from 10 to 40 kg of bamboo per day, depending on the season and availability. Bamboo is low in nutrients, which means pandas must consume it in large quantities to replenish energy. Conservation efforts played a crucial role in protecting the subspecies from extinction, as it is considered vulnerable. Conclusion: bears face such threats as habitat loss, climate change, and poaching. Bears are keystone species playing a crucial role in maintaining balance in the ecosystem. By protecting bear populations, one can save many other species living in the same environment. Voiced by Studio New and the Animal World.